Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the meter matches your battery's voltage and current range so you avoid damage. Once done, physically isolate the battery, remove any load, and wear insulation and eye protection for safety. Connect the meter's ground to battery negative first to establish a reference. This prevents sparks and floating readings. Make sure the meter's input fuse is installed and the leads are intact. Now switch the meter to the correct measurement mode so you can safely take live readings when you proceed. Next, you attach the negative lead securely to the battery negative or chassis ground. A solid connection reduces noise and false readings. Then route the positive lead through the meter's shunt if using an external shunt for current, or through the meter's fused input if direct measuring. This protects the meter. Tighten terminals to specified torque if available, and keep leads away from moving parts and high heat. Once connected, visually inspect for stray metal tools nearby and confirm polarity before applying power. Finally, you power the battery back on and watch the meter initialize. A steady voltage close to expected shows a good connection. Confirm current draw under known load conditions and compare to expected values so you validate the setup. If the meter reads 0 or erratic, immediately disconnect and recheck polarity, blown fuses, and shunt wiring. Bad contacts or reversed leads are the most common issues. Keep one troubleshooting tip. If readings float, ensure the ground reference is solid and reduce lead length to cut noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.